my name is Connor, and today I'm going to talk about the Sensaphonics dB Check Pro, which measures the decibel level of ambient room noise and select in-ear monitors or headphones like the Shure SE215 Pros I have. You can hook up both the IEMs and the phone with the stuff you usually listen to on the headphones to this device at the same time to measure the estimated decibel level. And that will help you determine safe hearing durations to protect your hearing. So let's check it out. Testing, testing, testing. ABC 1, 2, 3. Now let's try it on the noise machine. Now we'll test the dB Check Pro on the SE215 Pro in-ear monitors. What you have to do for this is hook the headphones into one of these ports and then the cord into the other port to the phone. Simple. I'm using a 3.5 millimeter to USB-C adapter to connect it to my phone. And then just plug in the headphones to the other port. And let's give it a test run. So we'll hit pink noise, because that's what I usually listen to. And flight green on notch 7. Yeah, that's what I typically listen to nowadays. Let's hit play and see what we got here. 61, that's pretty reasonable so far. Here's our safe exposure time chart for reference. So at decibel of 61, we're well in range. Now let's crank it up a notch to 8. Still well in range. 63 decibels. Let's crank it up to 9. 65. Not even close to 80 yet. 10. This is the loudest I usually go. That's only 68. And the maximum I usually go is 12. 72 decibels. Occasionally I listen to a podcast called Sleep With Me. So I usually overlay this with flight green. Pink noise doesn't work at the same time. Okay, we got then 12 notches. That's about 74, so 76, 74, so it's still okay. But I typically have it lower, no more than 10, typically. 70, well in range. That's good. All right, so let's run both these at the same time. The sound app, both the sound apps, flight green and pink noise. And we're going to turn on the noise machine. That will be reduced with the NRR of the headphones. Switch it off or on, just hit the switch there. There's a USB charging port for easy charging. Overall, for around $300 roughly, this is a great device for testing room noise and noise of select headphones to make sure that you protect your hearing over the long term.